This show is sponsored by TraderCobb.com, the leaders in checklist-based trading strategy, making sure it's very simple for you to learn to trade the markets. Now, listen here very closely. If you are in Sydney, Australia, then make sure that you get yourself along to an event. All you have to do is click the link on TraderCobb.com under Australian events, and it will take you to a page that walks you through the different options. It's going to be at World Square. It's a two-day live event on the 23rd and 24th of November. Whether you are a member currently or someone who wants to get into the space, please make sure you register and book your tickets very, very soon. For everyone else around the world, well, you can still capture the checklist-based trading strategies with our online content. We've refreshed it, updated it, and provided some new additional information on how to go short, how to use different platforms, and also how to plug in certain things that are very, very important for a trader in this space. As the space develops, so too do we. So if you haven't logged in for a while or you want to become a new member, please visit TraderCobb.com.
The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.
G'day everybody, I am back. I'm back with a husky voice, but I am back nevertheless, and I am back in the markets, and I'm going to show you a trade that I really like, and I'm also going to tell you, sorry I didn't do a video last week. I've been back-to-back Sydney. Oh, sorry, it was, what did I do? Where have I been? Malta, Singapore, 3 events in Singapore, 1 event in Malta. Absolutely never worked so hard in my entire life, and hopefully big things to come shortly to the Trader Cobb world, where we continue to grow as fast as we possibly can across all the world. But I can't tell you what, I am looking forward to Christmas. I'm looking forward to some routine. I'm looking forward to being back in these markets. Gosh darn it, I miss them. Couple of things to point out. First and foremost, the last course possibly that I ever do, because it is so much work. It's this weekend, the 23rd and 24th of November. If you would like to come, don't miss your spot. Click on Sydney event right here and get your spot. Bring some friends, bring all of them, I don't care, just come along. If you want to see me on stage, lots of people are getting a lot of additional benefits because I do a live scan, as well as being able to give you a lot more value because, well, you can ask questions, as well as the fact that I'll take you out for a few drinks on this Saturday night, provided that I am still able to be on 2 legs after the amount of whatnot that goes on the Saturday. Anyway, if you don't know what this is and I'm about to show you, then it's probably important that you do come along. First and foremost, this is basic attention token. This is the 2-day, and here is the trade that was taken quite some time ago for our little cradle back in here. We've been stalking this for quite some time. Booyah! Off she went. Beautiful, lovely move. Entry here, stop loss here, and that's a nice wide stop loss hodl type trade. Yes, there is a stop loss in there, and yes, this sort of stuff is valuable for those of you that don't even trade. Why? Because, well, if you're looking for a position on BAT, you can wait for your opportunity to buy in. Let me check this, or let me show this to you on the monthly. I think it might be, no, it's not this one. Let me show it to you here. Where are we? Against dollar tether. Look at that beautiful monthly candle in the cradle zone, broken the high. I love the look of it. Absolutely glorious. Again, if you're somebody who wants to be investing in tokens, you can look to use these strategies to help you with that. Don't ever forget that, because I teach people how to look at markets, read markets, trade markets. That's what I do. So coming back to BAT against BTC on the 2-day, that was one entry there. It's had a nice run so far. Still in that one. Happy. Going back to the daily, now pulling back into that cradle zone. Here's what I like right here. Well, guess what? That's a cradle. Boom, shakalaka, right in the zone. If you know what you're talking about, if you know what you're looking at, well, you know what to do. If you don't, then you've got to learn it. What have we got going on in the markets right now? Well, not a great deal if you look at the top 10. We've got some nice downtrends in play. And yes, I'm looking for potential shorting opportunities. And yes, that's what you should be learning to do as well, is short. But there are still some good opportunities out there. Check that out. That's my watch list right there, ladies and gentlemen. And there are some opportunities still available. This is basic attention token on the 12-hour against Bitcoin. And as you can see, it's been running quite nicely. Been in since, I think it was back here. Was it back? No, it was back. It was a breakout there. Where was it? 2-day. What level was that? Back here. Sorry, back here. This was the first one. Here's another one. So we've had some really good moves out of basic attention token. And it's only because we know when to buy and when to sell. We know when to get in and when to get out. And that is exactly what I teach. So check it out in the 12 hour. Once again, here it is. Get your eyeballs stuffed full of this goodness. Look at the 16 hour here as well. That is tasty. I love that. Beautiful, beautiful. 8 hour, not so good. 12 and 16, both absolutely wunderbags. If we also have a look at Bitcoin Cash here, I want to show you something else. Check this out when it comes to shorting. 1, 2, 3 levels of support. Boom, right back in that cradle zone. And whooshka, what a beautiful move. The 12 hour. The 12 hour and the 16 hour. Adam Felsman, one of my mentors that works with my clients to help them become better traders, pointed that out earlier in the week when I was in Singapore. Bottom line is this, guys. If you want to learn to trade and you want to do it in person, Sydney is the last opportunity that you're going to get with me in person. It's this weekend. If you're a member, well, we've got a cheap price for you. If not, well, then too bad. Get along at the price that you see on this particular website, tradercobb.com. Click on this here and we'll see you there, guys. Oh, looking forward to this weekend. Looking forward to Christmas. Hope you're well. And yeah, speak to you soon. Bye for now. This show is sponsored by tradercobb.com, the leaders in checklist-based trading strategy, making sure it's very simple for you to learn to trade the markets. Now, listen here very closely. If you are in Sydney, Australia, then make sure that you get yourself along to an event. All you have to do is click the link on tradercobb.com under Australian events, and it will take you to a page that walks you through the different options. It's going to be at World Square. It's a 2-day live event on the 23rd and 24th of November. Whether you are a member currently or someone who wants to get into the space, please make sure you register and book your tickets very, very soon. For everyone else around the world, well, you can still capture the checklist-based trading strategies with our online content. We refreshed it, updated it, and provided some new additional information on how to go short, how to use different platforms, and also how to plug in certain things that are very, very important for a trader in this space. As the space develops, so too do we. So if you haven't logged in for a while or you want to become a new member, please visit tradercobb.com.